Very unique yung hotel nila guys kasi yung lobby nila is nasa 71st floor. Diba usually yung nakasanayan natin is yung lobby is nasa baba. But dito is nasa pinakataas. And solo lang tayo sa room. So, dahil iniwan natin yung keycard sa loob and na-close bigla yung door, babalik tayo sa lobby guys. Diba? Epic fail. That's alright. Part of life. Tayo magpapadala sa mga pangyayaring yan. Kasi nasa maganda tayong hotel. Well, it's up to our perspective and how we react to things. Kung pagtatamanan na lang ba natin o mababad trip pa ba tayo? Kasi napakaganda ng hotel, diba? Tapos dahil sa mga pagkakamali mo, dun ka mababad trip. So patience is the key. Balik tayo sa lobby. Hingin natin yung ano natin guys. Hello. Naiwan ko yung keycard ko as I was getting in my bags kasi na-close bigla yung door. Can I ask for assistance? No, that's Mary Jehaya. That's 6628. So ayun na guys, nakahingi na tayo ulit. Going back to the 66th floor with a new key card. So, second time around. Papahinga lang tayo guys kasi in a while we're gonna have our lunch and tonight we're gonna have our yacht party as well.